I get it. The massive dumps that keep on happening on Bitcoin makes you want to run, but don't just yet. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in Dubai. Hope you're doing well. Man, let's take a look at the charts, man. Just because, like, it's crazy. It's crazy. Take a look at it. Look at this dump here. Just like I knew that if we break above this level right here, then we're in a bull market, right? The 90, well, let's call it the 95K level, right? We just close a candle. We have to close a candle, of course, above that 4-hour candle. But yeah, but it didn't. It came up close to the top here and failed. And we're failing heavily. So you can see that the chances are that we could fail all the way, are increasing, that we could fail all the way to the 73, and close the gap, of course. And so, this trade, of course, I was thinking, oh man, this was looking bad. We're going to break higher. And maybe if we get some green, right, you might want to move your stops to break even or take some profits. And if you did, it's okay. And if you didn't, well, you're majorly in the green, of course. Now that the Bitcoin has, as you can see, dumped heavily. Now, the question is, right, are we going to be able to are we going to break down lower, right? That's still debatable, actually, when you look at it. So there's as this thing, flirts with the top of the level and bottom of the level and really messes it with your mind. What's happening is this is compressing this move, the next move, into a big explosive move. So the move could be quite big in either direction. But the bonus thing is, right, most likely if it's going to be in an upward direction, there's going to be a fake out here. So right here where they're going to fake you out and go, and then off it goes, right? They're going to take out, because this is what they do, right? So fake out this downward movement and then go straight higher. That's what I'm thinking is coming. So yeah, if you're interested in entering the trade here, WEEX, right? We could do it here at weex.davincij15.com, right? Links in the description below, or bybit.davincij15.com. They've lost a lot of money, but they're still alive. Also, levex.davincij15.com, where you could actually watch this live. Now, taking a look at the Solana, I remember I told you guys earlier, let's just go to the hourly, right? And I was thinking, right here, right? Let me just make this a little bit better. Right up here, we were flirting with the 49-ish area, 47, 49 in this area. And I was telling you, there's a chance that we can go higher, but odds are we're just going to probably test the lows here, right? Test the lows, especially down right here, right? Actually, this lows, retest the 140, and we went further than that, unfortunately, right? And even close a candle, an hourly candle, Jesus. And so, yeah. There it is. I was saying, hey, you don't want to be long here. It is too dangerous. It is time for you to, take a look for a long. If you want to be long, you be long at the 140-ish area and lower. And there it is, right? And so, yeah, that's the way the market is, man. It's volatile as F. And so if you were long at the 140, you're doing okay. But unfortunately, it probably got stopped out because there's no way you should have kept that beyond the 140, but beyond where it actually ended up. Let's just see here, because you would have had to go 2-to-1 to get a 2-to-1, and you had to keep it inside the range. So, so, let's just say right here at 150. Yeah, maybe you could have gotten that. Maybe it would have been. Yeah, that would have been a close one. Yeah, look at that, 140-ish area. So. Yeah, it would. Yeah, it just stopped you out. Just 3% loss, 3.5% loss. So yeah, that would have been a brutal one to trade, right? There's been very little chance that you could have gotten that one on a long, right? Because of this big wick here. It's unfortunate, but this is what we're seeing a lot of that with with Trump as president. We have to accept that the crypto market is going to get even more volatile. Looking at Ethereum, right, you can see that, we bounced off this upward trend line. We've got to hold it. But honestly, there's a diminishing turns that we're going to actually hold that. Now, with all this said, all these negativities said, this will reverse eventually. But unfortunately, right, with Bitcoin going down and it possibly going down, and we could end up cycling back up. So that's always a possibility. But, you know, we have to look at the trend, because the trend is your friend till the end. The trend is currently down. We have to get across this trend line here on Bitcoin. And then if we get across that trend line on Bitcoin, you can say, okay, it's been reversed. It could reverse, right? Especially if you have a W pattern on the other side of a trend line. That is perfect. And that will take the rest of the market up. So that's what we're waiting for. That's what we're hoping for in Bitcoin world. So yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to be answering some questions for anyone who's watching this live. So I'm looking forward to your questions. And yeah, if you want to watch this live and actually ask me questions, and we could bring up some charts and stuff like that, you can do so by following me on levex.davincij15.com. That's levex, levex.davincij15.com. Hit a follow, and then boom, you can watch this live. All right, for free. All right, thank you for watching, and we hope to see you guys next time on Monday. Cheers.